Hello, parents and students. This week's homework, the first two problems, the first problem that we're going to be working on each evening is going to be looking at area and perimeter, which we started last week. Remember that with these, you either are going to find all of the dimensions for a rectangle that has a perimeter of 26 centimeters, or you're going to find all the possible dimensions for a rectangle with an area of 40 centimeters square. And then once you have those, if you are doing perimeter first, you're going to figure out which one of those dimensions would give you an area of 40 square centimeters. And then if you do the area first, you'll find out which one gives you a perimeter of 26 centimeters. And then on to problem number 2. We are working on multiplication, double digit by double digit or triple digit by double digit. And with these, what we're really wanting them to do, when we talk about it in class this week, we're going to be looking at using place value charts. So when we say show your work, they just have to show how they came up with an answer. They just cannot write an answer. And we'll show a bunch of pictures is the easiest way, and we'll look at those this week. Or they can also break this down into another problem. For example, they could break this down into 3 times 10, and then they can write 3 times 40, which would be 120 times 10. So they'd have 1,200. So that would be another option as well. We have some word problems here. Again, don't forget that these are 4-block problems. They must contain a 4-block in order to get credit for what they are doing. Then below that, we're practicing some quick division facts. These ones, they do not have to show the work. They can just write in the answers. Same thing with these down here. They're just writing in answers to both of those. And then down here, the last one, these are going to change from day to day. So notice this one on Monday says nearest 10,000. However, on Tuesday, we're going over here to the nearest 100,000. So just make sure you're being very careful with that. And then back on Thursday, we're back down to nearest 1,000. So please let me know if you have any questions, and I'll be happy to answer them in any way I can.